Hi, I have to do a little work. Do you mind? I guess I'm not gonna win this one. All right, just don't bug me. I've already fed you, I've walked you, we've played fetch. Good to know. George and I had a lot of tequila last night because we had a dinner party. And I'm feeling it. A little Celsius and Truly. Today is a good day. It's an easy day. We haven't done a cooking video in a while. We've been having some fun doing other stuff, but we are coming into the holiday season, but not really. We still have like a little over a month. I'm gonna get those checkered shirts out and the boots. I don't care. I will put the fireplace on and just put the AC down to 60 degrees. I will pretend I am in Montana. So, I haven't done a breakfast item in a very long time, and we did have some house guests not too long ago. And I wanted to find a way to make eggs fun and cute and kitschy, or just like your own little personal thing. Why not make you like a little eggs in a little ramekin? I'll tell you how to do it. It's called there's a fancy word for it. It's like egg coquette, I don't know. Doesn't matter because we're not fancy here at Bobby Boy Living. We are classy trashy. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the ingredients you need. I'm gonna give you the lowdown. I just realized though that Jason is failing at his job. Jason didn't do B-roll today.
I was gonna wait for you to finish.
Yeah, so.
And then do it.
Yeah.
How dare you?
Actually, and I'm also bad at my job too. How am I gonna make you an egg dish without eggs? How's that gonna happen? Just came right out of the chicken. So we'll just go over the basics. So what you're gonna need is your bread of choice. I'm choosing to use sourdough, but you can use like a thick cut ciabatta. 2 eggs. I'm using Manchego cheese, prosciutto, a couple eggs, green onions, black pepper, kosher salt, whipped butter, regular butter. Let's see why. I'm just in the mood to groove. Moving and grooving, sister. Moving and grooving. The oven's preheated to 375 degrees because you're gonna need to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes, before you get your life together. Butter in your ramekin. And you just wanna coat it, kind of like you're baking a cake. All right, this looks like this is gonna be enough. Perfect. That's done. 2 eggs. 2, all right. Bam!
LeBron James.
Now I'm gonna put in my little pieces of prosciutto. Here we go. All right. This is the amount of cheese I'm using because I like it cheesy, which means a lot of people are gonna salt your eggs. Not if you're doing it this way. Prosciutto's very salty, cheese is very salty. So good. All right, that's how much cheese I'm using. I'm not gonna measure it out. I turned over a new leaf. Okay, perfect. Chop up some green onions. Little black pepper. No salt for you. I need heavy cream, 2 tablespoons. All right, that part is done. These don't come with tops. I know it's hard to find a top in this world. So you can use aluminum foil. I have a little bit here. I need to boil some water. Excuse me. Look, the paw's bigger than his head. Do you understand why you can't jump on him? Your paw is bigger than his head. Comprende? ¿Entiendes? So, I'm gonna cover a little ramekin because we're not chic enough to have a matching top to it. Gorgeous. Now, fill it up 2/3 of the way. Look at that hot bath. Now you're gonna place this in your oven. Check it at 15 minutes. 15 minutes is runny yolks. Longer, like 20 minutes is harder. Right. Go. All right, I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes. Start, go. And then while we do that, butter your buns, but butter your...
That's butter?
It's whipped butter.
Ooh.
What'd you think it was, mayonnaise? If you were paying attention while you were filming, you would have heard me say whipped butter and regular butter, but Lots of butter. Why? Crispy, don't want it to burn, don't want it to be dry. Like the great Missy Elliott said, flip it and reverse it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. Let me turn on my skillet. There we go. Oh my God. Oh, some sourdough bread with butter right going in the skillet. Gotta catch my breath. You know what I mean?
I don't know, man. You've been seeming sus lately.
So I like my bread crispy, honey, like Kentucky Fried Chicken crispy. Almost like to the point people are like, is that burned? No, it's not. It's called delicious, okay? It's called living your best life. Okay, we're gonna, our little toast points or whatever they wanna call them. I'm sure that's not the word for them. I think toast points is for something fancier. Take that off, off. George, that isn't for you. That isn't for you, my love. You're wearing a fur coat, you realize this, right? And you're by an oven. That's at 375 degrees. Do you like torture? Okay. Gotta check it. Ooh, okay. Okay. You know what they say, moment on the lips, lifetime on the hips. Just how I like it, that consistency. Here we go. Just how I like my yolk. Dunkaroo. It's nothing but a word. Only Jason knows that I haven't had a piece of bread in the last 30 days. And it happened. I've been trying to be strong, but not, but look. The prosciutto, the egg just the way I like it. This crunchy little Dunkaroo bread. Oh my God. I hope you guys missed us.
They're like, no, we didn't, girl, send. No, we didn't. No, we moved on to somebody else.
I enjoyed you. I appreciate you. And I love you. Mucho. If you enjoyed your time here with this lovely Cocotte, I don't know what it's called. I really don't. If you enjoyed Bobby's Huevos, hit the like button. Comment, please, and don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications so you can see the next recipe that's gonna come out. We're gonna go back to recipes because we're moving into my favorite time of year. Yes, I know we have more than a month, but just so you know where my head's at, we are like, you know, about 35 days away from the holiday season starting. Usually I walk away with the bread, but I'm gonna walk away with my happy hour drink, go lay on the sofa with George, and probably watch Hit and Run on Netflix. Bye!